You're called to create.
A post-apocalyptic giraffe astronaut? Generated. Genghis Khan playing a guitar solo? Pixel art? Generated. A man holding a delicious apple? What's with his hands? Why can't AI art make hands?
Don, I'll trade you 2 Baby Bell for your Pockies.
That, man, those things taste like shit.
What about a small bag of M&Ms?
Joe, that's a full pack of Pockies, bro. Have you even seen the updated trading chart?
All right, boys, let's hear your favorite school lunch snacks.
Why don't you go first, Don, since this was all your idea?